Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you looking for a hard drive that's just as tough as you are and ready for all of your adventures? Because I was, and I found one. This is the SanDisk 1TB Extreme Portable SSD, and it's quickly become my go-to companion. I'm not afraid to take it with me everywhere I go because it has up to 3 meters of drop protection. It's water and dust resistant. So that gives me peace of mind whenever I'm traveling or if I'm working outside, which I do a lot. It also has a hook on it so I can clip it to my backpack if I want to, but it's small enough so that I can place it in a little case, and I know it's well protected there if I have to throw it in my carry-on, or I can also slip it right in my purse. This thing is so small, it's just a little bit bigger than a bottle of nail polish or a credit card. What I really love is the built-in password protection. So not only do I have a durable SSD, but it also is going to keep my private files safe without me having to think twice. So it's compact, it's durable, it's secure, and it's such a great color. It's the one drive I trust to take everywhere. And that is my point of view.